Flower bracelet tutorial. Materials include elastic cord, colored beads, white beads, and cutting pliers. Step 1. Cut the elastic cord. Step 2. Thread 6 red beads onto the cord. Step 3. Thread the left end of the cord back through the last red bead. Step 4. Thread 1 white bead on the left end of the cord. Step 5. Thread the end with the white bead back through the top red bead in the circle. Step 6. Thread 7 white beads and 6 red beads onto the cord. Step 7. Go back through the first reed bead with the cord. Step 8. Another white bead. Step 9. Go back through the top red bead in the circle. Now repeat steps 6 to 9 until a chain of flowers is formed. Step 10. Measure with your wrist. Step 11. 7 white beads. Step 12. Tie both ends of the cord twice and pull tight. Then tie one more time and pull tight. Now cut the excess cord and you're done. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video.